This video is about how to make money with your WhatsApp channel. Now, with a good number of followers, you can promote other people's products or services and get paid by them. And on your channel, you can just post content that describes the products or services. And with your own products or services, you can also sell them on your channel. And you just need to direct your followers to where they can access the products or services. And if you have exclusive content, you can even charge your followers a fee to access it. In addition, you can do affiliate marketing with your WhatsApp channel. And you just need to sign up for an affiliate program, then sell the company's products or services through your channel to earn a commission. Moreover, you can raise funds with your WhatsApp channel. And this is as simple as asking your followers to contribute to some cash. And you can raise some good amount of cash if you give your followers a good reason for the contribution. Now, if you find this video helpful, like it, and if you want to grow and succeed on WhatsApp and other social media platforms, ensure you subscribe to this channel for more videos.